tiresome task of manually assembling repetitive documents with our document automation feature. This video will be a guide for how you can auto-insert client and matter information to letter templates you send out frequently. So to start with, you will want to head over to Documents and Settings. Click on the Merge Fields tab. A list of available merge fields will appear. The group column is the list of merge field groups, i.e. clients, matters, users, and dates. And the field name column lists the text you will copy and paste into your document template. The field value column will show you the data information as it will be displayed for this relevant client matter. When you click on the Documents icon on the last column, it will copy the field name text onto your clipboard, ready for pasting into your document template. So to do this, you want to open a document in Microsoft Word and write up the draft for your frequented letter. So for example, and then I'm going to save this file. You want to head over now to the Templates tab and click on New Template, choose File, and then you can rename the template name if you wish. So it's a bit clearer. You can add any tags that can make it easier for you to search later on, and then click Save. I'm going to apply this document template to this client and matter folder. So if I go ahead and click on the preview, you can see here we have Dear Clive Armstrong. This letter is to confirm that Alice Jackson will be the lead attorney for your consumer protection matter that we started on and the date. Thank you for choosing us. For your legal needs, please contact me at this address if you have any questions.